Okay, so hi guys, today we're gonna play Hole.io and please subscribe to my channel for getting more updates. Okay, it's your chance. First let's play Hole.io and then Slither and then Paper.io. Okay, it's loading. It shows. Okay, this it takes a lot of time and it's loaded. Okay, I have a lot of skins. What should I choose? Usually I win with the shark. But I already selected this thing because I like it. It looks so good. And now play. We're gonna play it. It's loading. Okay, a lot of ads come up. This is the main problem. This damn thing. It always comes. Okay, the ad slows me anyway. Okay, so fine. It has loaded. It's time to play. Ooh, yeah. No, become the king. No, good. I became the king. Almost. Come on, you have to become the king. Dude, come on, become the king. Oh shit, that king's behind me. Yeah, I won't let him to become. Buddy, you're losing. Sad king. I guess he's a bad king who's losing. See, I've got the king. Happy. Grab some buildings. Oh no. Okay, I've got it. I've got a hold of it. Fine. Okay, I don't want to eat them because they're little poor helpers. Because he gave his king position to me. Fine. Okay, we're playing. I'm eating up all the cars. Looks like there's no cars. So oh, nice name, Google. Okay, Google assistant, you're dead. Bye, say bye. I've got a double kill. Eating a car. Oh no, you ain't returning. I'm coming toward you. No. Okay, Google's dead. Now who the hell is he? He's dead in the hand of no. Fine. Whoa. No, you ain't winning. Good guy. He's giving all the chances to me. No, you ain't winning, Catty. You're dead currently. Say bye. Okay, I got an ultra kill. Let's see where does he go. Oh, so you go in that way? I'll eat you. Fine. I'm eating up all the buildings. No, you ain't running away. I'm eating you. Good. Fine, I've got 877 points, 20 stars. I'm first, Mr. Hole.io. It's loading. 350, 124. Okay, skins. Let's check out. Okay, reach gold rank. This cat. 4, 6. Let's go play. I hope I win. So that I can get kind of all stuff. Okay. All these free cards, I wish we didn't have them. Yay! No, you ain't winning. I'll grab some things before you. Gotcha! You're dead. Okay, buddy. Urban, you're dead. Bye. Say bye. Good. Now what do I have to eat? Oh yeah, cars. I'm eating them. Let's eat some buildings. Yummy buildings. Okay. This is something hard. Oh no. Yeah, this is good. Fine, I've left one building over there for some precious guys. Oh yeah, they ate up the whole park. My chance to eat up every single person. I'm happy that I'm the king every match. Oh yeah, left a building. No, one more. Oh buddy, have to eat you. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Boom! He's dead. Okay, let's grab some buildings now. Okay guys, my battery is low. I'll just go to get a charger. Please wait. back with the Chargers. Happy that no one's the king yet. Fine. Okay. Let's do some of our eating business. Guys, I again got even though I left it 21st Fahrenheit. Ooh, sad. Gently, bad name. Sad for him. Okay, we're going to the next. I got 144, just a few points away. I think it's good to have this name anyway. 1 minute. Yeah, back. Let's see who's gonna defeat, guys. Sure, that's no one. Because I've been winning since so many days. I mean 2 days, sorry. 3 days. Okay, skip, add. Why the hell can't I skip this thing? Why does it glitch? Okay, yeah. Come on. Skip. Boom. Eat as many as you can. Yay. Ate. I ate. Now I hope I eat everyone instead of these. Oh yeah. No one's gonna defeat now. No, I'm not the king now. I'll become the king. Okay, I have a lot of space in the park left for me. Oh, think a VIP. Yeah, this is what I probably want. Okay, bye rat, say bye bye. So sad for him. Hey Ratty, say bye. This is your last time that you're leaving the game of Hole.io. Okay, killed. Now it's time to grab some great buildings as my snack. Oh, you ain't kidding me, rat. Okay, say bye bye. No, my buildings are being grabbed. Okay, I'll kill you and I'll go. Oh, I threw it. I need these. Hey buddy, don't worry cause you're being ate by me. A pro. 2. Oh yeah, he ain't kidding me. I dropped the building. No. Looks like I'm gonna win every match. I'm feeling happy that I'm the king for everything. Okay, 21 seconds left. Gotta grab more. Okay, sad for them because they're dying too. Got killed. 5 kills by now, multi-kill. And then Sirat, ultra kill. And now these 2. Mega kill. Ah, shit, I could have ate that guy. This isn't good now. Let's try another time. Okay, play. I'm gonna trust play so we can. God damn. I hope we could play a lot, but have just 1 hour of streaming. Okay guys, I think we played a Hole.io. Now let's play Zombs Royale.io. I'm very weak at it, so I play Slither.io. That's the best game for me. It shows not secure, so just delete the free keys and your work's done. Okay, see? Why does it? Bad boy, delete, remove, good. My nickname, you know my nickname. No, it's not Mr. Agar.io, Mr. Slither.io. Okay, play. Let's see, how do I play? No, yeah. Oh yeah, booyah. Let's see, how do I eat? No, big snake. Those big snakes are behind me to eat. Ah!